Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Verasity token on Binance Alpha. As you know, Verasity just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how. First, you can open your Binance apps and don't forget to sign in. After that, you can go to your search box here in the top, and then you can search VRA for Verasity. You can search it, and then you will find VRA on Alpha. You can click it, and then this is the chart, guys. I think it's good because it's not dumb, and there is potential and opportunity for the higher price. And if you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top. There will be 24-hour high, low, and the volume. The volume it's not really bad, 8 million, and there is almost 100 billion supply, total supply. You can also check their social media and website. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click right here in the bottom, and then you can choose instant. You can swap your BNB or other token to Verasity, and also you can choose limit order here. You can put the price you want to buy like this. Yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.